Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. I'm actually posting this video on both my singing and acting YouTube channel and on my mindset, getting out of comfort zone, embracing your vibration, embracing your consciousness, high vibe attractor channel. So no matter what channel you are on, then welcome. On this channel I either post my song covers or my self-written songs or acting videos or songwriting tips, or I'm posting about mindset, getting out of your comfort zone, raising your vibration, and raising your consciousness. Both is really fantastic and incredible and doing two different things. So remember to subscribe and like and peace on those channels if you want more like this, and it will really mean the world to me if you did that to help my channel grow. And I have the link in the description for the other channel, whatever channel you are on right now. So I'm gonna show you some clips of a video 2 years ago I did Talking to the Moon cover. So it was the first time singing completely alone on a stage, and I was really scared. It was my first time really getting out of my comfort zone, because I've been singing for people before, but then it was like in a band and it was like not in front of so many people, so it wasn't so scary and there was not like only focus on me, but here it was only me. And it was really scary, and I really felt like I was going I thought I was going to die. Not like actually dying, but I mean like I was so scared. I was just thought that this is going to be the end of it all, and it wasn't perfect, but I really did my best there, and I was just getting out of my comfort zone and expanding my comfort zone. And you can do that too, and you can do that with me. And I really do think and can see and hear a big difference, both in my voice but also in my confidence, because when you are consistently doing things out of your comfort zone, then you're getting more and more used to it, so then it becomes your comfort zone. So you can also always expand your comfort zone. And I can just see that when you see the progress you have made already, then you're gonna be really proud of yourself, and also really satisfied and grateful for where you are right now, and to see the positive of the situation and to see the progress and not what you need or lack, because what you focus on will expand. So I really think there is a really good message for you no matter what in this video, and this I think many can relate to if they like really see how far they have come in their life in like a specific area in their life. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and here is Talking to the Moon covered by me. And remember to subscribe with the bell so you get updated when I post a new video, and like and peace for more. That would mean the world to me to help my channel grow. I'll see you next time.
This is really big for me, and I'm really nervous, but I will try my best. And these songs are really vulnerable for me to share, but I would like to share them anyway, because I want to maybe inspire people and let them know that those who go through this is not alone. And I would also like to go more out of my comfort zone. And this is really much out of my comfort zone. So, and also to start following my dreams, because I really like to sing. And yeah, this is my first time singing alone, so on a stage, completely alone. So there might be some nervous tension in my voice, just so you know if you can hear it or not. But I haven't practiced singing for so long, so I don't have to, it isn't perfect, but don't have to be. Next is Talking to the Moon by Bruno Mars. I know you're somewhere out there, somewhere far away. I want you back.
I want you back. My neighbor thinks I'm crazy, but they don't understand. You're all I had.
You're all I had. And now when the stars light up my room, I sit by myself, talking to the moon. I'm mad, but they don't know what I know.
'Cause when the sun goes down, someone's talking back. Yeah, they talking back. Oh, at night when the stars light up my room, I'll sit by myself, talking to the moon,
Trying to get to you, in hopes you're on the other side.
talking to me too. Or am I a fool who sits alone, talking to the moon?
Now
Do you ever hear me calling? Cause every night I'm talking to the moon,
still trying to get to you.
still trying to get to you. In hopes you're on the other side, talking to me too.
Or am I a fool who sits alone?
Talking to the moon.
I know you're somewhere out there.
Somewhere